It seems to me is that the public feel that the young princes are doing a wonderful job of honouring their mother, but the rest of the royal family are much more quiet. For example, the Queen, particularly Prince Charles. It seems very clear to me that the British people who feel that Princess Diana isn't being honoured, what they do want is more recognition from Her Majesty herself.
It's worth pointing out that 45% of people do believe the royal family has shown Diana enough respect, but it's not good news for Charles this morning. His popularity now down to just 30%. For him, at least, it doesn't look as though time has been very much of a healer.
Doesn't, does it, Louisa? Thanks very much. Louisa James there outside Buckingham Palace.